So guys, now please confirm to me. All of you read my voice screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you read my voice screen. Those are attending in online. Please confirm to me, guys. All of you read my voice screen. Those are attending in online. Please confirm to me. Am I audible? Is my voice screen is clear to all of you guys? To check it, all of you read my voice screen. Those are attending in online. Please type in chat window, guys. Yeah, Ankita Singh, please confirm to me. Are you getting my voice and it's clear? Yeah, clear. Right. Good evening, guys. Okay, just give a minute of time. Then once it is started, then I'll go for the content. Right, so now just give a minute of time. I want to share something with you. Okay, fine. Yeah, please. Right, so now, so all of you know, please take this link information. Just take this link now, everybody. Everybody, please take this link. This link. At least take photo of this. https://tinyurl.com/core Java 6 p.m. Even though it's the timing is 7 o'clock, but later I will confirm it. 6 p.m. Just take this link. Okay, taken it. Right, sir. So for what purpose this link I have given to you? Every day I'm going to type the notes while explanation. While giving explanation, I'm going to type the document notes. Each and every pinpoint I will type inside the classroom. That directly that classroom notes will be available with you directly. This is downloadable documents, there we are able to get it. Got it what I'm telling to you? Now understand it. Just I will show this point to you at present. Just if we copy this, 1 minute. Yeah, just if we copy this link, 1 minute. Yeah, right, it's okay. If we copy this link and if we keep that link in the browser address bar, there we are able to get two documents. What are the two documents? There we are able to get Core Java 6 p.m. and Core Java 7 p.m. At present, your document should be Core Java 7 p.m. That's it. Just double click on it. Automatically, the document will be open. There, at present, whatever the data here I provided, as it is, the data is available to you. Understand it here. Now, just now I provided only this data. The data is visible to you from where we can study the content. At the end of the course, we can study, we can read, or we can download this entire document. Whatever the documents I'm going to prepare, That everything we are going to download from the net, from the same web page. Okay, it's okay, fine. This is clear. After this, after completion of this particular content here, just I want to close this. Now leave this one. After this, now we are getting it. It's okay. And one more, one more minute. Just what I'm telling to you. I have taken this one here, Google Classroom code. Even take this one also. LURA2OB. The Google Classroom code. You can take this. Just I'll do some installation process here. I think all of you are having mobile phones, right? Just 1 minute. Open your mobile phones now and connect with internet. 1 minute. Everybody, open with the mobile phone. Connect with the internet. Go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. In Play Store, search for the app Classroom. App name is what? Classroom. Classroom. Search for the app Classroom in a Play Store. Search for the app Classroom. Okay. All right. When we search for the app Classroom, install it. Directly you can install that Classroom app. Okay. Install the Classroom app. Okay. Search for the app, install it. When we install that app, there we are able to get some plus symbol. Okay, click on that plus symbol, or if you are not having plus symbol, options will come there. Create a class or join class. Two options we are able to get. Have you got it? What symbol we are getting? Have you got any plus symbol? Or maybe create class or join class. Two options here we are able to get. There select join class. Why? Because your students, you have to join for the class. Myself is a trainer, I have to create the class. Already created class. Just you have to select what there? Join class. Join class option here we have to select. If we select the join class, if we select the join class, it is asking classroom code. Enter this classroom code. This is a classroom code. LURA2OB. This is classroom code. Enter this classroom code. As a join class, you have to select. Then it is asking classroom code. Enter this classroom code. LURA2OB. Clear. All right, sir. Then when we enter it, automatically you are going to be joined with the class. Okay, there you might be seeing some postings. Then one post might be, you might be identified it. What is that post here? We identified this. Yes, hello guys, welcome to Durgasoft Solutions. That post here I provided. Have you got it? Okay, then at least you can see that. Not, I'm not showing here in this location. It's available already. If you install it, there we can identify that. Yes, sir. Have you got it? Fine. No need to worry for it. Even if you are not doing that inside the class now, at our home, at least we have to do that. Install Classroom app in our mobile phone. Right. Then what next one here? Then we have to select the join class. Then after click on join class, now it is asking classroom code. This is a classroom code. If possible, try to write that classroom code in our notebooks. No, then it will be available, or at least take that photo. If you add that classroom code there, automatically you will be joined with the class. There we can see some welcome post. Okay. Again, I'm sending one more post for you. Do one thing. Just we are going to get that notification or not. Please check it. Better to close the tab. If you complete it and close the tab totally. Right. If you close the tab, then again, I'm going to write some post here. Welcome to Durga Software Solutions. That message here I'm going to provide. Just I'm going to send it post. Given that post there. In our mobile phone, we have to get a notification. Have you got any notification about the post? classroom notification, app notification you are able to get. Just if you open that notification there you can see my message. Okay, just if we close the tab, then directly we are able to get what the notification, or else open the tab there we are able to see the another notification, another content. Yes, hello guys, then welcome to Durgasoft solution that I provided. Okay, clear? So all of you are getting it, what I am telling to you. All right, it's okay, fine. So for what purpose I created this app there, I created this particular channel. If I want to talk with you, any message if you want to send immediately, without having any delay, within fraction of seconds, I am able to share my messages to you directly. If you want to give some communication with you, immediate communication, I'm going to use the channel only. Then try to maintain that app in our mobile phone. In the future, I'm going to share some questions, some interview questions, maybe some Java articles, maybe something technical things I'm going to share with you. Or else maybe if I don't want to take class on any one particular day, all of a sudden I want to give message there within half an hour before, I want to send message now. But if I give that information or office admin people try to send message to our students now, then they may be delayed. Then instead of that, what I'm going to do there, I'm going to use this app directly to have conversation with you, to have communication with you now. If you have any questions there where comments are available, I didn't disable the comments, directly you can post your errors or maybe something else to that comment. Myself I'm going to watch it, or maybe some of your classmates will also be giving solution for that particular errors there if you have any problems there in our practice. So finally this is one of the channel what I created clearly. All right sir, leave this content here. Totally we completed the total part here, we understood there clearly, observe carefully. All right sir, it's okay, let's move on to the content here. Finally, classroom notes, and what next one here? All right, this is like what their Google Classroom app. So they are the details here what I given. And one more thing I'm telling to you, observe carefully. For online and offline both, everybody take this number. This is a single point of contact about my classes. If you have any doubts about my classes, their schedules, information and all, directly you can talk with this person, that person who is available in this particular number. This number is a single point of contact for my classes. Directly we can use that number. Where WhatsApp is available, we can have some conversation through WhatsApp also. If you have any doubt on the schedule, for example on Sunday if you want to take a class, if you have any doubt on it, directly we can call to that number, we can get the information here now. That is a point here. Moreover, for my classes, I'm going to give videos for every class. Every class is being recorded and every class video I'm going to share with the students. So to get that video support, who is the responsible person for it? The same number. That number person will provide video support to you, whose name is Nagendra. Nagendra will take care about that number. He'll be available at that number. Then he will talk with you if you have any query about my classes. Understand it? What I'm telling you? Okay. Right, sir. Now, so this is completed. Now we can understand it now. This is like what the single point of contact about this Durgasoft regarding my classes, especially in Durgasoft. So many faculty members are available. Understand it, no? But my classes information is available with this particular number only. Right, sir. It's okay, fine. Yeah, it's Google Classroom only. App name is what there? Google Classroom only. Through Classroom also we are able to get it clearly. That's okay, sir. Good. So required content here we provided. Now let's move on to the concept. So before going to understand the content here, I would like to give some details about our courses, what I'm going to do, what we are going to have, some at least in the demonstration point of, I want to give some content, some advantage of this course, what you are going to understand, all this, some demonstrative kind of content here I'm going to provide. Now try to understand it clearly. Just 1 minute of time. And regarding this, yeah, then this part I will discuss with you or try to understand it clearly. All right, sir. Now, all of you understand it, no? A simple question to all of you. Observe carefully. In the software industry or in the software companies, projects are going on. How projects are going to be prepared? By following some life cycle, we are going to prepare the projects. Developers are going to prepare the projects by following some life cycle. What exactly? The life cycle which is followed by the companies. All right. If you understand that life cycle content here, project life cycle contains 4 phases mainly. Top end phases only. I'm not talking about that internal view, just high end phases or top line phases of this project. No, nearly 4 phases are available. What are the 4 phases actually? First one is analysis, and the second one is development. Next one is the testing. After that, production. Names are available. Now let me provide these names. First one is what there? Analysis phase. Analysis. And the next one is development. And the next one is what there? Development. And the third one is what there? Testing. After completion of the development, then the next one is what there? Testing. After that, the next one is what there? Production. Or the last one here? No, production. Everybody put more concentration now. Analysis, development, testing, and production. Analysis will be provided by high-end people, high-end persons in the project hierarchy. Architects maybe, managers maybe, they will involve in the analysis part. In the ordinary, normal developer will not involve in what their analysis part. So no need to think about it. Leave this one. After that, development part, if you have to this, there are 3 types of developments in a project. What are the 3 types of developments in a project there? First one is front-end development. First one is what there? Front-end development. And the second one is middleware application development, or simple application development, app development, middleware application development. And the third one is back-end development. Back-end development. Everybody, put more concentration what I'm telling to you. All right, if you understand this front-end development, in front-end development, what is going to be happen? Just pages preparation, web pages creation, forms creation with very good look and feel, background sceneries. Next one is what the themes, background themes. That everything will come under what their front-end development. Data validations, of course. Then everything is going in under what their front-end development. To provide this front-end development, we are going to use a set of technologies. What set of technologies here we are able to use there? That set of technologies like what there? HTML, CSS. Next one is what there? Bootstrap. Then after this Bootstrap, next one is what there? JavaScript. After this JavaScript, jQuery. After this jQuery, next one is what there? Angular. After this Angular, React.js, and so on and so on and so on. Vue.js, like this. So many frameworks or so many tools are available to prepare what their front-end development, front-end part of the application. All right, sir. Then pages and the forms, everything will come under what their front-end development. To prepare that, we are going to use this HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, React.js, and so on. Leave this one. Middleware application development is mainly server-side application. For example, we have a front-end page, registration form is available. There we are going to enter some data, first name, last name, address, email ID, mobile number. date of birth and everything is available. There we are entering the data. When we click on register button, automatically request will go to the server side application. Along with that request, the data will go to the server side application. At server side, one application will catch our data, will take our data, process the data, and finally the data is going to be stored into the database tables. At server side, we have to take the data, process the data, storing the data into the database. To do this, we require an application at server machine. That application is called middleware application or server side application. Understand my point here? To prepare the server side application, there, to prepare the server side application, there we need to use a particular programming language. What programming languages are available to prepare these applications? No, maybe if we take .NET, there we have to use C#.NET, ASP.NET, and MVC framework, and so on and so on and so on. If we take Python as a programming language, there we have to use core Python, advanced Python, and Django framework, or Flask, or maybe REST API, Fast API, and so on and so on and so on. Some other technologies here we are able to use if we take Python. But if we take Java, then Java based technologies are available. What Java based technologies there we are able to have there? First one is like what there? Core Java. Next one is what there? Advanced Java. And the next one is like what there? Hibernate. After this Hibernate, next one is what there? Spring. Next one is what there? Springboard. And next one is what there? Microservices. Then after this microservices, what next one here? Web services, and so on and so on and so on. If anything is remaining there, we can provide this clearly. Microservices. All right, sir. These are like what they're Java based. Again, I'm telling there for middleware application development, if we select Java, these many technologies here we are going to use. If we select Python, where some few technologies, core Python, advanced Python, Django, Flask, REST API, Fast API, something else. If we select something else like what there, .NET, C#.NET, ASP.NET, and MVC, like so many things are available inside the .NET also. Understand it clearly. Next one is back-end development. What is the meaning of this back-end development? Actually, like database preparation, database development, database tables creation, schemas creation. Understand my point here? Database, so many technologies, so many things are available. All of them here we have to prepare. There is nothing but what there? Back-end development, database development. All right, for the database development, what technologies we are going to use maximum? If it is Java, then we are going to use the first priority for what there? Oracle. And the next one is what there? MySQL. These two databases maximum we are going to use for backend system. If you are using .NET based, their SQL server we are going to use. I get my point or not? If you are using .NET as a middleware application development technology, there is a backend system we are going to use what there? SQL server. But if you use Java based technologies as a middleware application development technologies, there we are going to use Oracle or MySQL as what their backend system directly. That's it. Now this is about like what the development part here we completed. When my product is developed, when my application is completed, when my application is developed totally, then what next one here we are going to do? There we have to go for what the testing. Without testing, we are unable to deliver our product. If we want to deliver our product to somebody else, no, first of all we have to test that application. After completion of the testing phase only, we are going to deliver our project or product to the client. So testing here we have to do. To perform this testing, there we are going to use a technology, a tool. What the tool or technology here we are going to use there? There we are going to use manual testing plus a Selenium tool here we are going to use. The Selenium tool is having somewhat demand in outside now. And some point, the Selenium is a tool, of course, designed on the basis of Java only. By using that Selenium tool, we are going to test the projects. When testing is completed, then what next one here? No, production. What is this production actually? After preparing our entire project, submitting that project to the client, sending that project to whom? To the client. This phase is nothing but what their production phase. Understand it now? And the production phase, what we are going to do there? In a production phase, mainly three things here we are going to do. What are the three things? No, first one is like what there? Deployment, monitoring. Next one is what there? Maintenance, maintaining, or maybe maintaining. These are the three things we are going to implement inside like what their production phase. All right, sir. Deployment, monitoring, and maintaining. Maintaining in the sense what there? Maintenance. Understand it clearly. These three things are going to be provided in our content. Maintenance. For example, I want to use this. The word maintenance. Observe carefully. Maintenance, for example. Observe carefully. There are the three things are going to be happen. All of you understand it clearly. Everybody put more concentration. No. Deployment in the sense we require a server, app server, application server we require, our production server we require. Inside the production server, our application has to be deployed. Our application has to be launched inside the server. After that, we have to keep that project in live. Customers will use that project. So we require server. If you want to maintain the server, for the server, some infrastructure is required. What infrastructure is required? An operating system is required. If you want to use server, one operating system is required. Understand my point here? Which operating system we are going to use there? Do you think about it? Our Windows operating system we are going to use for server side environment? No, not at all. Nobody will use Windows operating system for server side environment. Now tell me, for server side environment, what operating system there we are going to use? What exactly the operating system we are going to use for server side environment? In general, we are going to use Linux operating system. What operating system we are going to use there? Linux operating system for what there? Server side environment. Everybody put more concentration here, what I'm telling you now. All right, sir. So to deploy a project, we require a server. To maintain that server, we require an operating system. In general, we are going to take what there? Linux operating system. So first of all, we required what there? Linux operating system here we required. Nice. But who will manage this Linux operating system and this application server, or like what the database and internet and all? Who will maintain that? Client has to maintain that all the content or not? Everybody understand my point here? Client has to take licenses for each and every product or not? Then client has to take that license for each and every infrastructure of this particular application or not? Then where clients are unable to bear that much of cost. Infrastructure for our application is too much a heavy cost. So clients are unable to bear it. Then immediately what they are going to do now, they want to give the server maintenance, the total infrastructure maintenance and everything to some third party people. The client will give the total maintenance part of our project and infrastructure and everything will be given to the some third party people. Understand my point here? What the third party people are doing there? They will provide the required infrastructure for us and they will charge monthly, rental wise. We are going to take what there? Rental wise. All of you get my point or not? Just like it is what there, taking a house for rent, where fully furnished house is available, where sofa sets are available, maybe fridge is available, refrigerators are available, maybe like ACs are available, then beds are available, everything fully furnished house is available for rent. They are going to provide. We are going to pay the rent and we are going to enjoy it. That's it. Same thing, some third party people will provide servers, third party people will provide operating systems, third party people will provide databases, third party people will provide the total internet and the required infrastructure for our what there? For our project. Then who are the third party people? The third party people are cloud providers. The third party people are what there? Cloud providers. Who are these cloud providers nowadays in outside there? Number of cloud providers are available, where the number of cloud providers are like what there? Like first one is what there? AWS, Amazon Web Services. Next one is what there? Microsoft Azure. And next one is what there? Google GCP, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These are like what there? Cloud providers. Then who is the best one? Who is the topmost one in the market here? AWS is the number one position. AWS is in what there? Number one position. There we have to understand like what there? AWS. That what we require clearly. Okay, fine. My total infrastructure is ready. My project is ready. My server is ready. My Linux instance is ready. Then we are going to deploy the project into the server. Everything is okay. After that, we have to monitor our project or not. Please confirm to me. We have to monitor that services are available to our project or not. Is the server is up or not? Is the server is providing all services effectively to our project or not? That everything is going on properly or not? That monitoring is required or not? To monitor our project, there we are going to use a set of tools. Not only monitoring for maintenance point of view, monitoring point of view, performing some testing point of view, and doing some activities. For the sake of all these activities, A set of tools we are going to use. What tools we are going to use there? A set of tools there we are going to use. That a set of tools are called as DevOps tools. The set of tools are nothing but what there? DevOps tools, where so many tools are available inside the DevOps tools, like Jenkins, Kubernetes, Ansible, Chef, and some point here, build tools, Maven, Gradle, and so on and so on and so on. Almost all, nearly 14 to 15 number of tools are available. All these tools are collectively called as like what there? DevOps tools. Understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now, when the project is in deployment, that means production, automatically what things can be required here? Linux operating system, AWS, and DevOps, and so on and so on and so on. All the things are going to be available, required. Has sir got it or not? Fine. This is end to end, top to bottom of the project life cycle. At each and every phase of the project life cycle, what we require and everything are listed clearly. All right. One more point I'm telling to you. Try to observe carefully. All of you know. If we take 10 years back, how development is going on inside the companies, no? Everybody understand it. If we take 10 years back, how development is going on inside the companies there, observe carefully. For front-end development, team 1, a separate team is available from front-end application development, where nearly 10 members are going to work. That is, team 1 is required. For middleware application development, team 2, depending on the volume of the application, modules wise, almost 3 to 4 teams are working for the middleware application development. And some point, number of modules are going to be available, where around might be in team 2, maybe 20 members or 30 members or 40 members, depending on the project volume, team 2. For back-end development, team 3. Inside this team 3, maybe we can understand 5 members, for example. There also be, depending on the project volume, number of developers are going to be increased. Next one is team 4. For testing point of 5 to 6 members are working for it. For production, maybe operations team is available. It will be like what there, team 5. There may be, we can identify maybe 10 members or some other, maybe app stream is available, operations team now. Observe carefully. Not only that, there might be, we are able to have some administrator stream. Server administrator stream is available. There might be, it should be like what there, team 6. There may be 5 to 6 members are going to be work, administrator stream, some other team, remaining members, all remaining members. How many teams are working together to complete a project? No, almost all 6 teams. How many developers on an average, how many members are working for this particular project? Almost all, on an average, we can understand 60 members. 60 developers are working for this particular project here now. This is in where no 10 is back. How development is going on? 10 to 12 is back. How development is going on? I'm giving that information there. Now listen carefully. When the project is in front-end development, how many teams are working there? Only one team. Only 10 members are working. Remaining 50 members are relaxed. No work is available for them. When the project is in middleware application development, 10 to 15 members are working. Remaining all 35 to 40 members are vacant. When the project is in back-end development, there 5 members are working, 45 members are vacant. When the project is in testing, no, all remaining 40 to 50 members are vacant. They are not having any work. When the project is in production, no, only 10 members are having work, remaining members are not having work. Now this approach is losses to the companies or not? At a time, maybe 5 to 10 members are working, remaining members are not working. If they're having some other projects, no, it's okay, different story. But if they're having only one project, how many members are working at a time? 5 to 10 members are working, and remaining members are not having work. Then it's totally a big loss to the companies or not? The software companies are having, they're not utilizing their resources properly or not? The proper utilization is not available for them or not? Everybody understand my point here? So then after that, by analyzing the total concept there, companies have changed their strategy of utilizing the resources. Then what companies are doing the strategy? What strategy they applied now? At present, they're applying what strategy there? Nowadays, what companies are doing? They're going to recruit the resources, those who are having knowledge on front-end development, middleware application development, back-end development, testing, and production. Companies are taking only such type of developers. Those who are having knowledge on front-end development, middleware application development, back-end development, testing, and production. Such type of developers only nowadays companies are taking. Why? Because when the project is in front-end development, they will use the same resource. When the project is in middleware application development, again they will reuse the same resource, not any other resource. When the project is in back-end development, they will reuse the same resource. When the project is in testing, they will reuse the same resource. The single resource will be utilized from top to bottom of the project lifecycle. Then if it is the case now, just hardly 10 developers are available like this, automatically the entire project is going to be completed or not. Now automatically resources utilization will be effective or not. Now because of that reason, nowadays every company is looking for the developers, those who are having knowledge on top to end, that means starting point, ending point of the project, and top to bottom project development implementation. If they know that resources only the companies are taking at present. Now the resources, those who are having knowledge on total development, front end and middleware and back end, and testing and production, that type of developer, such type of developer is full stack developer. The developer is what? There full stack developer. If the developer is on Java based, Java full stack developer. If the developer is in Python based, Python full stack Java full stack developer. If the developer is in .NET full stack developer. That's it. Now nowadays every company is looking for what type of developer there? Full stack developer. Yes, sir. I'll forget my point or not. Nowadays every company is looking for what there? Full stack developers only. Full stack Java developer. That's it. Yes, sir. I'll forget my point or not. Clear. All right, sir. Now the same thing I provided inside the diagram here. The same, whatever the discussion here I've given there, the same thing here I provided here. Observe carefully. All right, sir. Now full stack Java developer is required nowadays. Now that's okay, sir. Good. This is somewhat introductory part here. We can understand it now. Now I listed all the content here. What is available inside the full stack Java developer? What exactly the content is available inside the full stack Java developer? Just we can understand it clearly. Now just we can check it. Full stack developer now. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and what next one here? jQuery, like this. All the content now. Angular or React, either of this, not both, either of this. Linux, AWS, DevOps, and testing tools. This entire syllabus is nothing but what their full stack Java developer syllabus. Observe carefully. After that, in this total full stack Java development, what is my participation? What courses I'm going to take? No, the total Java stream I will take the responsibility. This box, Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, this total part I will take the responsibility. And my point here, remaining courses will be taken care by some other trainers at Durgasoft. Understand it clearly? That's okay, fine. All right, sir. Now this schedule, this roadmap I will provide again to you. No need to worry for it. Fine, sir. Then after that, after completion of this particular content here, what next one here I'm telling to you. Now coming to the advantages of this courses here. If we join for the Java, what advantages here we are able to get, especially in Durgasoft, what advantages we are able to get. That list of advantages here I want to provide only one time only. Today only we are going to discuss about all these things. Tomorrow onwards directly we will start what there our syllabus content. Now try to understand it clearly. So all my classes are being recorded. The recorded videos will be provided to you through Google Drive access. Understand it clearly. How long we are going to provide that Google Drive access to you? More than 1 year we are going to provide. Understand it clear. It's not like any limitation for it. No, more than 1 year. Minimum 1 year we are going to provide. More than that 1 year we are able to have the access of that videos. All my courses, whatever the courses I am going to teach, not only here, whatever the courses you are going to take at Durgasoft, everything here we are going to take. And before that, I'm going to talk with you regarding that, what batches we are offering from Durgasoft regarding this Java. Batch 1, only core Java, also be okay, fine, we can attend these classes, no? Batch 2, basic Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. Core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. This is like what their basic Java package. Complete Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, and basic UI. And full stack Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI, Angular or React JS, Linux, AWS, DevOps, and testing tools. These many things are available. Out of these 4 batches, no, nowadays the trending is what there, full stack Java developer. Everybody they are looking for what there, full stack Java developers only. But remaining courses, just for the sake of students' flexibility, we conducted. But in outside market, that entire market is going on with what there, full stack Java developer only. No other courses are available. Directly full stack Java developers course is available. Understand it clearly? All right, sir. It's okay, fine. Now coming to the advantages, no. All my courses are being recorded. Every course recorded videos will be provided up to 1 year of time. More than 1 year of time, we are able to get that videos. In the middle, if you missed out 1 or 2 classes, no, that video support you are able to get there. We are able to get what their videos content. So by watching that video, at least we can go for continuation. Tomorrow class, if you want to attend there, if we check the today's video, then we can, it's fine. We can attend for what there tomorrow's class then. Or else maybe you're not understanding clearly one topic in the classroom, but you want to listen it once again now. If I provide videos now, directly we can watch it. There we can go come forward there, next class comfortably. So every class videos will be provided. Understand it now. Especially my classes, I'm telling them. Okay, fine. Next one is materials are available for the classes, for the courses. For each and every course, material will be provided. About my classes, I'm telling them. Core Java material is available. Hard copy is available and soft copy. Soft copy by default you are able to get. Along with videos, you are able to get what there? A PDF file of the soft copy. Hard copies are available at our office there. All copies are available. That means hard copies are available at our office there. Directly we can collect there from our office, but it is a chargeable. Xerox cost, they are going to take it now. Okay. Now this one for both the students. This video support will be provided. Materials will be provided for both offline students and as well as what their online students now. You can understand it. Free access to the classroom notes. Just now, then previously I given a link for you to get the classroom notes, daily classroom notes there. There through that link we are able to get it. Direct access to the classroom notes. What every point I'm going to type. That every typed point we are able to get in our document. That we can access 24/7, 365 days of time. Even how long it's going to be available, we don't know. More than 1 year maybe. Throughout your life, it may be available. We are not going to delete it, max. Understand? Moreover, I'm giving downloadable option for these notes, classroom notes. For videos, maybe downloadable option is not available. Directly, we are able to watch it at any time. But for these notes, we can download it when the documents are completed. When a topic is completed, I'll give intimation there. We can download this document that we can download it. Right, sir. Next one is free access to the classroom applications. Every application I will type in front of you. I will prepare that programs. That programs as is I will send to you directly. There we can get that application that we can use as a reference to practice our applications. Direct classroom applications. Every application will be shared with you. Next one is all applications are live application development. Not like preparing projects at my home and showing that outputs inside the class. No, that type of approach we are not going to follow. In front of you, I will take the requirements. In front of you, I will type the code. In front of you, I will show compilation. Intentional in some situations, I will generate compilation errors. I'll explain why these errors are coming there. And I'm able to provide like what there, how to resolve the errors. That entire explanation I will provide. After that, I will explain the content inside our class. Then if I execute the program, if you are getting any like what there, exceptions now, I will show how to resolve that exceptions, how to come out from that exceptions. Everything we are going to understand inside the classes itself. There is nothing but what there, live execution. Observe carefully. All right, sir. At the end of the course, we are able to get what there, course completion, course complete certificate. At the end of the classes, we are able to get what there, course completion certificate. Observe carefully. All right, sir. This particular person has attended courses at Durgasoft. We can show that information, that certificate to our interviewer also. Then definitely we can utilize the Durgasoft brand also. All right, sir. Good. All right, sir. Now directly hard copy of the class will be provided for online students now. It's not like this. Yeah, then the point is what? Soft copy material will be provided to everybody. For both online students and offline students, that PDF documents will be shared. The location where we are going to upload the videos, there itself we can upload that the document there. That from where we can download it. Soft copy directly we are able to get. No need to worry for it. Course completion certificate is okay. And the next one is what there? Company tries will be provided for all the students. But now the season is not good in outside there, but less number of companies are coming there. But when the season is coming there, definitely some companies will come to Durgasoft. Then we are going to provide that opportunities as an open platform for every Durgasoft students. But at the same time, we are totally against to the job guarantee programs. No, in my point of view, it's a totally fake trash. If you study, if you work hard, you'll get job. If you are not working hard, you will not get job. But my teaching is same for everybody. My content explanation is common for everybody. But depends on you only, you will get the jobs. So, but as per my level, maximum environment we are going to provide you to get the jobs. Job assistance will come. 100% guidelines will come. Everything we are going to discuss there inside the class. How to approach for interviews, then how to clear that interviews, how to talk with that interviews, how to prepare a resume. This kind of environment entirely we will provide. But the point is what there on the base of your work, we are not going to give any guarantee for what their job. Our main concept is what they're delivering the good content. With our good content, 80% of people are going to get jobs in outside. My success ratio inside my class is what they're 80%. Every 100 members, 80 members are used to get the jobs. Understand it clearly? No? Right, so leave this point here. Then part of this, we are going to conduct written tests on each and every topic. Topics wise, written tests will come. Concepts wise, written tests will come. That we have to attend there. There we can check on the base of that particular topic. How much you are getting the knowledge, where we are in this particular topic, that everything we can measure through this written test. There we are going to conduct the written test. We'll correct the papers. We'll provide that key sheet also. We will display that marks also if it is required. Understand it clearly. Or else we can correct your own papers there after completion of that exam. We'll provide that key to you. Then try to can compare your marks with that particular key, your answers with that particular key. There we are able to measure yourself. If possible, at the end of the course, we are going to provide what their mock interviews. In that mock interview, we are going to check your interview skills. If any lacks are available, definitely will improve in that particular area. But this is optional, depending on the members only. So remaining part is technical, working with multiple databases, working with multiple servers, and working with IDEs, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDE, and NetBeans. No, part of the course interview questions we are going to cover, and up to which version of the Java we are going to teach there. Up to the latest version of the Java there we are going to teach. Up to the latest version of the Java there we are going to teach. Understand it clearly. Up to Java 21st version, all features we are going to understand. Observe carefully. Right. So now this is exactly the content here what we provided clearly. Is that clear? All of you are getting clarity on this now? But just today, just I have given some introductory part here, just only basic overview of all the content here. Then tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start core Java class directly. Today, just it is only introduction part, just gathering purpose only, overview only, then guidelines only. But tomorrow onwards, effectively, we are going to start our content. But remember carefully, few points here I want to be specified to you regarding this content and all the content here. Say for example, how many classes here we are going to take per day. If you think about it, classes will come from Monday to Saturday at a starting mode, at startup classes now. But once we started our content effectively, even on Sundays also, there is a possibility to take the class. Why? Because we need to complete the courses. Java is a big. We have to complete it in a committed duration. So we have to work on Sundays also, but not immediately. Once we started object orientation, from that particular point onwards, we are able to get what their classes on Sundays also. This is one point here. Okay. All right. And one more small point here I'm telling you, observe carefully. Everybody understand it, no? Actually, we started our demo class at what time, you know? 7 o'clock. Am I right? 1 or 2 days of time, few days of time. This demo classes I'm going to take at what time, you know? 7 o'clock. Understand my point now? In the future, I will start our classes right from 6 o'clock. Understand, guys? Now, in very first class itself, I'm giving clarity. After few days of time, I will take your classes at what time? They know 6 o'clock, 6 to 7:30. I will take your classes there after few days of time. But when I'm going to start the classes from 6 o'clock, no, I'll give intimation to you. Not before 6 o'clock. Exactly from 6 o'clock onwards, we are going to take the classes. Try to understand it clearly. But actual class time is what is 6 o'clock only. But I'm a bit busy at 6 o'clock. That's why I'm conducting these demo classes at 7 o'clock here. No need to worry for it. Within might be few days of time. Within few days of time, we will start our classes from what there 6 to 7:30. But anyway, whatever it may be, core Java I'm going to take at 6 to 7:30, something else, no. But in the future, I'm going to start advanced Java, some other classes there. 6 to 8:30 or 8:40, I will take my classes. 2 slots I'm going to take, no, regarding Java. I given already some box of courses there. Almost 7 courses I'm going to deal there. All my courses are going to be happen 6 to 8:30 or 8:40. Within that frame, I'm going to take 2 classes every day. But startup mode, only 1 class I'm going to take, no. But after few days of time, when I'm going to start advanced Java, then automatically I'm going to start what there my other content. Observe carefully now. Right, then if you want to understand that scheduling also, just we can understand here. See the scheduling part here. 2 slots I'm going to take now. Initially I will start with core Java 6 to 7:30. In the middle of the core Java, we'll start advanced Java along with the core Java in the second slot. That we can think of it what there 7:30 to maybe like what there, or maybe 8:40, or else maybe I will take your core Java at what time you know 7:15 or 7:20 like that. I will take no 6 to 7:20 or 7:30. I will take advanced Java. But anytime anyway, I'm going to take these classes in between this timing only. But one slot is for core Java. In the middle of the core Java, I will start with what there advanced Java. Understand it clearly. When we are in the middle of advanced Java, when core Java is completed, there I will start what their Spring framework. In the middle of the Spring framework, when advanced Java is completed, there I will start with what their Hibernate. When Hibernate is in middle, when it is completed, then I will start what their web services. After completion of Spring framework, I will start what their Spring Boot and microservices. Totally in the same sequence, I am going to take the classes. Understand guys what I'm telling there? In the same sequence, I'm going to complete your classes here. So this is what exactly the scheduling here I'm providing there. But at a time, along with the core Java, we can start with the basic UI and we can start with Oracle. No problem here. We can start with these two concepts now. Basic UI and as well as what there, Oracle we can start. No dependencies are going on with Java. And day one itself, we can start with these two classes here. If you're in packages now. Understand my point again. But if you want to start advanced Java, some topics in core Java we have to complete. Then only we are able to start it. And if you want to start Spring framework, some topics you have to complete in advanced Java. Then only we are able to start what there Spring framework. Like the dependencies are available in Java only. But Oracle, basic UI, these concepts are not having any dependency. Yes, sir. Are you getting it or not? So this is exactly the content here. What I am telling to you. Observe carefully. Right, sir. Now this is about like what the scheduling and all the related content clearly what I've given there now. Right, sir. Anything else apart from this? Just in the demo class, just the total picture I've given there. Tomorrow we have class. Tomorrow, even though Saturday we have class there, try to come for the class. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to start what there direct content, core Java content. I will discuss with you. First of all, first few minutes of time, I'll list out all the topics what I'm going to discuss in core Java. Then after that, I will start introduction part directly. Okay, right, sir. Then shall we meet on tomorrow? Right, sir. And one minute, guys. Then all of you know those who are in offline and online. I think our people have sent some notice there. I think some offers are going. I think already you are aware about it. Our admin people have sent some notice there, but I don't like to talk about money and all these things inside the class. No, even I'm not related with this particular thing. Relation between you and me is a technology only, not like money and all these things. But they are given some kind of offer, some money reduction kind of things are sent there. They are given that notice. No, then better what I'm telling there. Directly reach out to our office, go to our office, then talk with our admin people. They'll explain about these offers and everything. Then it is not related to us, but they are given a notice. No, but that information I'm telling there, I can speak out all these things, but it's not good thing. In my point of view, it's not good thing. So as a trainer, we need to talk about only technology, the subject. That will be good thing, good environment. But money and all these things is completely different from us. Even I'm not related with that. Directly you can go to the front office, then directly you can ask them some offers they are given regarding this. Then full stack Java or complete Java, some money, some kind of reduction is going to be happen. Try to talk with your admin people, then they will give more clarity on it. Okay, for online people, then what I'm telling there, directly we can take this number, we can call to this number. Our admin people will talk about all the offers and everything now. I think so that offers are going on today and tomorrow max. Not even on Sunday. That today and tomorrow they are given that offers there. Exactly. Friday and Saturday they are given that boundaries. No. Anyway, just one time talk with the admin people. They will give more clarity on these offers and all the content there. Okay. Right. So that's all for today. I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we will go for like what there continuation, direct classes continuation here we are able to get. And when this front end development and all the things are going to be happen, definitely then throughout the day, morning 7 to night to 9 o'clock in institute in Durgasoft, classes are going to be happen at any time, at our possible time we can attend the classes. But my classes schedule will be 6 to 8:50 or 8:45. Up to that I'm going to take the classes. In the remaining part of the time we can attend for the classes. 6 to 8:40 assign the time for me, evening IST. But remaining classes you can attend at any of your possible time. Just you are able to get notices from our Durgasoft there. Notifications we are able to get from Durgasoft through messages or through mail, might be what the WhatsApp messages. No, as per that you can identify it and we can attend for the classes. Okay. Right, sir. Then tomorrow we can come at 7 o'clock, and 7 o'clock onwards I will take the session. Few days after at 7 o'clock. After that I will start our classes from what there 6 o'clock onwards. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Then we are able to have that each and every topic syllabus also we are able to get there. Every topic syllabus also we are able to get. No need to worry for it. Just after the class we are able to get a mail. In that mail we are able to have the syllabus sheets also. Yes, Ankita Singh, just ma'am. Then after the class, we are able to get a mail. Then in that mail, we are able to get the total syllabus content and everything. Please verify that after the class. Within 5 to 10 minutes of time, we are able to get it. Okay. Yeah, full stack videos are available, but yeah, then when the class is going to be started, automatically that course videos we are going to be provided. Okay. Yeah, hard copy of the material is not possible to send it to the online student. The soft copy material we are able to provide. Yeah, that PDF material will be provided to you. Okay. Guys, anything else? I'm waiting for you for your questions. If you have any questions, then I will answer for it. Otherwise, we'll meet on tomorrow. Duration of this course is what there. If it is full stack Java, minimum 7 to 8 months of time it will take for full stack Java. Why? Because nearly we have to cover 14 subjects we have to cover there. So definitely we have to go for what there. Maybe then 7 to 8 months of time to complete the full stack Java. Yeah. The front end development might be some other trainers will take, Ankita ma'am. Just then Durgasoft people will be in touch with you. Then they will talk with you regarding that. Okay. No, no. Then AWS and DevOps might be some other trainers will take. My part is like what there. Just this part. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Springboard, microservice, and web services. Yeah, this is only my part. Only Core Java. Core Java and Advanced Java hardly it will take like what there. 3.5 to 4 months of time it will take. No. Parallel we are going to start it. No, 3.5 to 4 months of time it will take. Yeah, parallel we are going to conduct the classes. Okay, Sagar. Yeah. Yes, guys. Anything else? Anything else, guys? Apart from this, guys. Then if no questions, then we'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll explain that core Java syllabus and everything. No. Thank you, Varsha. Thanks a lot. Okay. Yes, guys. Then shall we meet on tomorrow? Guys, at least say yes, no? Then I'll wind up it. And tomorrow we'll start the content. Tomorrow we are going to start directly core Java syllabus. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Shall meet on tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we will see the remaining part of the content. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for attending demo class.